Do you want to know how you can quickly and easily program Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits to explore functionality offered by hundreds of example projects? Greetings, I'm Ashish Ahuja at Renesas Electronics. In this video, I will show you how you can program Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits using popular flash programming utilities instead of development toolchains. Doing so is particularly useful when you are new to kits, don't have an IDE installed on your computer, or want to simply test drive an example project on your kit, or you are simply not ready to deep dive into the source code yet. So let's get going. We will primarily use Renesas Flash Programmer. It is a computer controlled programming utility with a simple graphical user interface for the first-time developers. It is highly configurable, supports Renesas E2 and Sega J-Link emulators, and it is available for download on Windows and Linux platform. I'll also show you how to program the kits using the Sega JFlash Lite utility. We'll need Sega J-Link drivers in both cases. We'll work with the EKRS6M5 kit and Quickstart example project that comes for it. The procedure to program any example project on any of these kits is the same. We'll program the hex file provided in the example project without having to build the source code or use an IDE. The example projects are provided in form of a bundle on the kit web pages or individually on GitHub. So let's get all the required software and firmware first. We will start with Renesas Flash Programmer. Launch the web browser. Go to the Tools webpage at the link shown on the screen. Scroll down to the Release Information section and click on Free of Charge Edition. Scroll down to the list of search results. Click on the Windows Edition. Accept the agreement and download the compressed folder. Extract the contents and run the exe file to install the tool. Use the default options during the installation. Let's get the J-Link drivers. They are required because almost all Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits, including the EKRS6M5, use onboard J-Link debugging emulator. The J-Link drivers and JFlash Lite programming utility are included in the J-Link software and documentation pack. So let us just get the whole thing. Go to sega.com, then Downloads. J-Link JTrace download page. Locate J-Link software and documentation pack. Click the Windows installer link. Accept the terms of use and download the latest version of the J-Link software and documentation pack. Run the exe file, use default options, and complete the installation. Now it's time to get the EKRS6M5 Quickstart example project. Since all we need is a hex file, we will get it from the GitHub instead of downloading the entire example project folder from Renesas website. Go to example project page on GitHub and browse to the example projects for EKRS6M5 kit. Locate the Quickstart example project and navigate to the project files directory. Locate the hex file and download it to a local directory on your computer. Make sure that the file extension is hex. Now, we will power up the EKRS6M5 kit and program it. Connect USB debug port J10 of the EKRS6M5 board to the USB port of the computer using the micro USB cable. Next, launch the Renesas Flash Programmer. Go to the file and create a new project. Select RA in the microcontroller, provide a project name, and select J-Link as a communication tool. Look for the operation completed message in the status window. Next, click Browse to locate the hex file of the Quickstart example project we just downloaded, and click Run. The code flash of the RA MCU on the kit will get programmed, and the programmed contents will be verified. This may take several minutes to complete, so please be patient. Once the programming operation is complete, the example project will begin to execute on the kit. In case of Quickstart example project we have chosen, The blue user LED on the kit will flash, indicating that the Quickstart example project is executing. That is it. You could also program the kit using JFlash Lite. Close the Renesas Flash programmer. Launch JFlash Lite. Browse to the MCU list and locate the MCU present on your kit. The part number can be found below the RA MCU on the kit. Select Interface as SWD and connection speed of choice. Click OK. Next, browse to the hex file and click Program Device. Once the operation is complete, reset the kit by pressing the red Reset button. The example project will begin to execute on the kit, flashing the blue user LED. That is it. So in this video, we learned how you can easily use Renesas Flash Programmer and JFlash Lite to program the example project on the Renesas Advanced microcontroller kits. There are over 600 example projects for different kits across several tool chains, and more are being developed to help you kickstart your innovation journey. I invite you to join the Renesas community on the RA support forum. This is where you can ask questions and get assistance from our team of experts, and also collaborate with other members of the Renesas community. We hope that you enjoy innovating with the RA microcontroller kits as much as we have enjoyed developing them. Order your favorite kit today and bring your big ideas to life.